Are you having trouble replying to text messages directly from your iPhone's lock screen? Don't worry, you're not alone. This issue can pop up due to some settings, notification preferences, or even software bugs. But no stress, I'm here to walk you through a couple of quick solutions to get that functionality back. Let's dive in. Solution 1. Enable reply from lock screen. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down a bit and tap on Face ID and passcode. Now enter your passcode to continue. Scroll down until you find the Allow Access When Locked section. Make sure the Reply with Message toggle is turned on. Solution 2. Check notification settings for messages. Open the Settings app again and select Notifications. Scroll down and tap Messages. Here's what to check. First, ensure that Allow Notifications is toggled on. Under the Alert Style When Unlocked section, make sure lock screen is checked. Also, ensure that Show Previews is set to either Always or When Unlocked. After that, restart your iPhone to apply the changes. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to reply to text messages directly from your lock screen again. I hope this guide helped you out. Let me know in the comments if you have any other questions or if you ran into any issues. I'm here to help.